Hi everyone, welcome to week two. So for this announcement, I'll be covering week 2A. So officially this week starts on March 27th, and the items due in this folder will be due on March 30th. And one thing that I do want to note is the journaling will be over 4 total weeks. So you'll have it in both the A folder and the B folder for the next 4 weeks. And this is something that you will need to have 5 journal entries per week. So, oops, sorry. Once you hit 5 journal entries for the week, you do not have to do more for that week period, but you certainly can. Um, so just let me know if you have any questions about that. You will officially begin journaling on March 27th, and then the 4 weeks will start. Spring break being the second week after this course started, kind of throws things off a little bit. But we will go through it all. So for this week, we're going to move into health behaviors, and you will be responsible for going through. And I've put some TED Talks in the health behaviors folder. So I just really encourage you to watch those. You don't have any assignment that is related to that, but I just really encourage you to take in that information. And a lot of these TED Talks or kind of supplemental information that I provide really is for your own benefit. There's no additional assignment, but just it's up to you to review those, and I think it would be very beneficial. So let's go through this. So you'll have the health behaviors chapter, you'll complete the SMART book. There's the quiz, the diet analysis lab. It can take 1 to 2 hours. You will start journaling. I have hidden it right now. It's not available to you until March 27th, just because I want everybody to be on the same page. And then you'll start, I would say keep reviewing for the first exam. It's not going to be until I believe week 3. I'd have to double check, but it does come up quickly. You'll also listen to the sleep podcast, the part 3. So this is the last part of that podcast discussion. And then you'll start your ethical viewpoint review. So you took the ethical reflection or the ethics approach survey and did the reflection discussion board post last week. And so this is moving into kind of that next phase of identifying what those viewpoints actually are. Um, we do have an ethics-based project that will be later on towards the end of the semester after the behavior change is nearly finished. So just be cognizant as you're reviewing this and make sure that you're really able to identify which viewpoint is which. Okay, so you can find everything in here. So we've got the health behaviors folder, the behavior change project. So this is where you'll be able to click into for your journaling. We've got the ethics module here, so that's where you'll find that. If we actually, I can show it to you. So this is going to go over every viewpoint that we're going to cover in this course. So I would start looking through this. You won't have anything due in the 2A folder, but you will in the 2B regarding this ethics information. Okay. And then you can also see right now, item is hidden. March 27th, I'll make this available. So this is the journaling link directly. If you don't have access to the journaling link, it means you have not completed the behavior change contract. And so you will need to go through and complete that in order to access the journaling. Again, the behavior change is worth about 30% of your overall grade. So I would highly recommend that if you have not done so yet, that you really take a look at where you're at, maybe what items you're missing, and get that in quickly. Okay, and then I'll click into the health behaviors. So these are the different TED Talks. This is the sleep study. And then here you can find your health behaviors quiz, and the diet analysis lab. So all of the areas in the 2A folder are due March 30th. The only caveat is the journaling is not, you'll have 5 posts that need to be completed between 2A and 2B and so on and so forth for the next 4 weeks. So you will have five journal posts that you'll have to do between weeks 2A and 2B. So hopefully that makes sense. If it doesn't, please reach out, let me know, send me an email, and I'm happy to review any questions with you. So that is for week 2A. So officially begins March 27th. I'm opening it up early so you can get a head start, just because I know this semester does move, or this term in, or this course in this semester is going to move quickly since it's only 8 weeks. So this gives you a little bit time or extra time to do things. Hope everybody has a really great week and enjoys their spring break. And I'm really looking forward to seeing the different journal entries that people have for their behavior change. I think there's a really this is one of my favorite projects. I've done it almost every semester. And I think that it's just such a good way to implement a healthy change. All right, have a great week, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.